Good morning. I needed some ground coffee today. We use a Keurig machine, but we don't use the K cups because they're terrible for the environment. So we use our own, we make our own, so we need the coffee. However, I am a cold brew coffee person, not a hot hot coffee person. So I do the cold brew in our cold brew pitcher. And those actually need two different grounds. One, the Keurig needs fine, and the cold brew needs more coarse for the cold brew. So I'm actually going to grind my coffee beans in the new blender. I'm just gonna stick those in there. Get that on there. Now you can use the grind setting, but it gets it really fine really fast. So I want to have a better control over the grind, so I'm actually just going to use the pulse button. And I don't know if you can see. Once I see no more beans in there, I'm going to stop and take out some for my cold brew. Sorry, should have been ready for this. And as you can see, that's a much coarser, much coarser grind. And then I'll do a fine grind for my husband's hot coffee. And that'll be a lot easier. I'm just actually gonna hit to grind. Oops, cancel, sorry. I won't need to go the full 2 minutes and 20 seconds on this because it's already mostly ground. So we're going to turn it off after 20 seconds. Thing keeps flying off because I never put it back on properly. But you can see how fine ground that coffee is and ready for our morning pot. Let's see if that's a better picture for you. So quick and easy, didn't have to run to Starbucks to get somebody to do it and have them do it halfway because I liked my coarser ground for my cold brew. Hope you're having a great day.